On July 2nd, 1816, a French sailing ship, the Méduse, struck bottom off the coast of Mauritania, dooming the vessel. The Méduse was abandoned, with about 250 people loading into the ship's launches and 146 men and a single woman forced to climb aboard a makeshift raft to be towed by the launches. The crowded and starving people on the raft were cut loose to fend for themselves, resulting in 13 days of terror, with some survivors murdered, others washed or thrown overboard, and some eaten by their raft mates. Only 15 survived. A painting depicting the horror of the raft of the Méduse was painted by Theodore Géricault in 1818 to 1819, a haunting and horrible picture. Another creepy painting is The Garden of Earthly Delights by Hieronymus Bosch from 1510, the centerpiece of a triptych showing a surreal scene of naked people engaged in gluttony and amorous activity. What painting would you call the creepiest?